What's up, guys? I sold my big truck, and we haven't really done any video with that thing, and so I was gonna try to take time to do it. It's nighttime, it's gonna be real hard to see, so I'm gonna get a little headlamp so maybe we can see some of the dark stuff, and then I'll try to do some video during the day. Just depends on how it goes, but I'm gonna do this first part of the video right now. Here it is, 1986 Chevrolet Kodiak with a Cat 3208 turbo, 5-speed with a 2-speed rear. Let's go inside and take a look. Generator might be a little loud, so sorry, but start from the back over here. Obviously big garage door. It's fairly tall. I'm 6'3" and I can't even reach the door from the dovetail. It's about, I think it's 8 foot wide on the inside, and then it's about 7 feet right here, and then back at the tail is a little over 8 feet, probably about 9 feet roughly. But it's got a nice good dovetail on it. It's 26 feet from up here to the back. It's got a winch, the microwave, the fridge for like the kitchen area, the little bathroom area, the bed up there. Can't really open the bathroom up, it's not really big, it's just a place to house the toilet there. Got the bed up here, got a little light. You know, I need some little cleanup and stuff. It's been sitting for a little bit. I haven't really got around to messing with it at all. It's got a generator, little 4,000 watt generator. It's got, shoot, low hours on it, but needs a little maintenance and stuff. I just put some LED lights in here to brighten it up a little bit. It had a couple old fluorescent lights that were kind of crappy, but trying to get it all cleaned up for the new owner. We're gonna go meet him, take a little drive up to Tulsa to meet him up, and give him the truck. It's kind of a bittersweet a little bit. I really didn't want to get rid of it, but the plan is to get a motorhome with maybe just an enclosed trailer, or if I can swing it, a stacker trailer would be cool if I can find a cheap used one. But right now we're just gonna, we have to get rid of some things to move forward, and this is one thing I don't really use a whole lot, and obviously I didn't get no videos of it, me using it much, but kind of get a little quick video of it now. All right, let's see if I can do this with the GoPro. I'm gonna do this by myself, but there's the ramps out, as you can tell, so give you a size reference of how big the box is there. So let's see if we can get this thing in here. There we go, got her in here, one go. It's not too bad, pretty easy to load. So now getting out, there's your issue of a bigger vehicle in here. You only got about maybe a foot or so to get the door open, but should be good. And everything. Got all our stuff in here for going to drop it off to the new owner. Got the 5-speed, and this is how you shift it. Can you get out now?
We'll climb out the back.
Okay. Can I get out now? I think I might be stuck.
Dude, I think you're gonna have to climb out the barn doors. Oh yeah. You got this.
Oh, this is awesome.
It's a little tight.
It's a little bit tight with a bigger vehicle. Now,
Done deal. Dude, that's sick. Can't wait to see the front of my wife. That is a nice mount right there. That is a nice
perfect.
mount. I want to see that again. What model GoPro mount is this? inspection. Square Force 1's going into impound, and go live. Yeah. You good? You look at home there, Dave. Look home up in there, Dave.
Oh, that's it. There she goes. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days since we dropped the truck off to Mike Finnegan. We got to hang out with those guys, him, Dave, and Cotton, and Brandon. Real good guys, super cool, laid back. We just kind of walked around for a little bit. Fortunately, we couldn't stay very long. We had to get back into town. Keep an eye out, and peace.